Hey guys, I just wanted to make a quick video over my old Wagners. This is one of the sets that I'm going to try to get. These were made between 1920 and 1924. They all have the heat ring. This one's got a little sulfur pitting, but this one is the 9B. And it's super smooth. It cooks awesome. And up next is the 8i, which I just restored this today, so I have not had a chance to cook in it, but it came out super smooth also, so I have no doubt that's going to be awesome. And the next one is the 7D. This one looks a little lighter. It's got some flaws in it, but it is also super smooth. And I've got my little 4B. And this thing is just perfect. And got my little 3D, which this one doesn't have a heat ring, but because it has the number like that, we know it's old. And it also is super smooth. Y'all have a great night.